I want to talk about something simple. When you see the energy, whatever it is, coming off the sun, okay, the sun hits it here. The energy comes out the back and down towards the earth as it's pulled through the moon down towards the earth. The energy that you see going back up over here, okay, is because the energy is pulled. See the way it comes from the outside, sucking down to the inside? It's an air drag. It's an air drag. It has to come around and go back up. It's like two tubes. How would you look at this? It's like two tubes. How can I show it any other way? It's like two tubes. Two tubes. You need an inlet and an outlet, right? Isn't this the way Earth would be? Two tubes. You see this energy line? See that energy line? We need to come to one to the other. This place is built. We all know it's built. Anyways, we're going to do something really small. How is everybody this evening? Friday night. We're going to do pi, and we've done it before. We're going to bring pi to the 9 number. 6 and 3, 8 and 1, 5 and 4, 8 and 1, 4 and 5, 0 and 9, 7 and 2, 3 and 6, 4 and 5. Now, if I was going backwards from 9 and going over to 3, I would be minus 3 plus 6. I would be minus, okay, if I was going from 8 over to, if I was going from 9 over to 1, I'd be minus 8, okay, or plus 2. Cycle of the moon. The plus 2 automatically gives me 10, and it gives me the full cycle, right? The full cycle, 0 equals 6. 6 and 8 becomes 14. 1 and 4 creates 5. If 9, 5 and 4 equals to 9, now I want to reduce it, okay, down to 3 again, right? I forgot about this when we're going down to the 3 world. Minus 3 plus 6. Minus, now I'm going down to 1, okay? Minus 7 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. Minus 7 plus 2. 7 and 2, BC creation. Inside AH creating the R. This is the R letter for Ra. Inside, you want to go to 5. The only way to 5 is plus 1. Only plus 1 will create your 5, the spirit of Mars. Now you have 0, 9, right? We want to go back to 9. The only way to do it is with 9, and it takes two sides, two numbers. Remember, there's only 4 sides to a cube. In fact, there's only 2 sides. There's only 2 sides. There's only 2 sides. If I run my finger all the way across on one side, I've used up the whole top. If I run my finger right through it, I've used up the whole top. If I start going down, I've got 2 pieces. Either I go straight down and rip apart the half. Okay, once you split one, everything else becomes half parts. Do you follow what I'm saying? Maybe I can get a piece of paper and show you. Okay, I'm going to get one of these pieces of paper. It's pretty simple. I have a piece of paper. I rip it in half. Okay, there's no other way to get it now. I can do it simply and keep going 1, 2, 2 rips. So I made 3 rips. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pieces of paper. 3 rips. 3, 6 creation. It's all about what you can do. Now, what do I have? 4 rips. 4 rips gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 gave me 6, 4 gives me 12. 4 and 12 is the purple sky. 3 and 6 is creation, okay, of the algae, the green world. It's also the creation of the green world through the red sun, because this is what the numbers say. I need to see the element, scale, and the question so I can put forward the numbers to the missing link. That's all I can do, because how can you think that any of my answers are right to anything, because I'm actually going nowhere, only showing and examining possibilities. We're going to go back to this for one more second. If we go back to the 8 world, what went up to number 8, now we're going to go back to where we came from. 5 down to 3 is minus 2. If we want to go up, it's plus 7. 2 and 7 come together in this situation. Over here, it's minus 6 plus 3. 3 and 6 come together. Here, it's minus 3, okay? 5, 7, 4. 7, 4 is Jesus. 5, 7, 4. The first one is 5, 7, 4. The third one is 1. So we're back to 7 again. Okay, plus 3, minus 6. The next one is 5. It's only plus 2. Nothing else, just 2. This one goes to 9. It's nothing else, plus 1. This goes down to 2. So it's plus 5 or minus 4. This equals to the sun. 2 and 4 is Venus inside Saturn. This is plus 4. There is no minus. This is plus 2. We go down to the 5 worlds. Okay, we had 2. We must go up 1. There is no other number. We need now 4 into the 1. It's minus 3 plus 6. 3 and 6 creation inside 4. It's where all these numbers have to go and how they get there. Obligations, different numbers. Do you want to talk about the A world? This is what I was doing. I just want to set something up here a little bit higher. I like this video. Forget about it. We're going to do the alphabet the real way. B, C, D. 3 in a row, 2, 3, 4 vibration into the E, E, E family. The next letter after the third letter is the 4th letter. Is F. F is the 4th letter. You know it is 5, but it is 4. It is EF. It is 5, okay? It is the element of E. Okay, we're not going to use a number for it. The next letter after E, after F, is G. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth letter is G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numbers inside the sun, the sixth and seventh letter, are actually the fifth and fourth letter. The eighth letter, okay, is not the eighth letter. It's the sixth letter. J, instead of being 10, it's the seventh letter. K, okay, is the eighth letter. L, instead of being the 12th letter, is now 9. LMN, 12, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2, 3, 4. LMN, 3, 4, 5 it'll create. This one will create 2, 3, 4, and then it'll create 3, 4, 5 continuous. 1 and 2 come together. It doesn't start until you get to the M. It's EL. It is EN, and it is EN. 7 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 9 plus 5, right? 14, 13, and 12. Well, what if it's minus, because it's all before? This becomes 7 total. This becomes 8 total. This becomes 9. These numbers over here. 1 minus 2 or plus 2 becomes 3 and 1. This one over here becomes 2 and 4. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 equals to 6 and 8 communication, altered current. This one here becomes 3 and 5, electric company. And it creates 7, 5, 8, 5, and 9, 5. I and E, H and E, G and E, electric company. There is no Q, there is no vowels. We're not going to work on any vowels. And the W becomes a vowel. U. W means two U's that come together. O and U. O with a W and U with a W. O and U. So these two, actually the O and U might be able to become consonants, and it's the two rare letters, okay, 15 and 21. 1 and 5 is A and E, right? Excuse me, let me just, hold on a second. O is the 15th letter, creates A and E. This one creates A and B. A, B, E. Abe. So this is how our letters come together. There's only 21 letters in the alphabet, is the way we bring this whole thing together. 103, Mars and Earth come together to create the numbers to Jupiter, to Mercury. 103 is Mercury, and a walk on the moon is coming in that, right? 5-2, 5-1, 5-2 is Earth, 1/4. 5-1 is Mars, 1/4. Minus plus is 4-6. Minus plus is 3-7. 4-6, 3-7. 3-4, 6-7. 3-4, 6-7. Does that remind you of the diameter of the moon? We talk kilometers or miles. This one becomes 5208, becomes 44 area space, 60 in time. This one becomes 42, 9 legs of the cat, communication from Mars, 60 in time. This one becomes 50, this one becomes 40, and 60 becomes time. Okay, 40 becomes 34, which is DC time, and then becomes 46, which becomes 10, which becomes, again, DC time. 6 times 4, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 24. Both create the letter X. 57 is the number in the moon. What is that? 57, 3 times 19, 3 times 19. 57 is 3 seconds before the hour. These are all seconds before 60. Before 60, before 60, before 60. Now, if I had to use the number in the sun, right? I didn't write that down. The number in the sun is 54. There's 0, 6 left together, and it equals to 60, and I'm going to show you what it does. Inside the sun, 54, and 6 will create the 60 seconds. Minus it becomes 48. Inside the sun birthed through Pluto. That's what these say. Yeah, I did say in my last video, number 74 was Mangold, the name for the New York Jets. What is Mangold? 74. Or Mangold or Mangled. Mangled, another word for mangled. Something I just want to get off my head just to show somebody. When you create 7, here's your 8 design. See the way the point goes off to this side, and this is what happens to this angle. This would be 1, this would be 7. See the way it's twisted, that 7? Oh, why is it like that? Here's the eye, but if you need to go, remember, when things are offset in this world, right, and in order to pass through this way, if nothing is straight through, everything is on this curve. So when we're sending something this way, right, it's got to go, see the angle it's going through? See this angle? That's the passage in, right here. Open and close, open and close. You can't get through it. It's open and close, open and close. The valve is never open all the way. It's only open this way. So if you have to get through, you see the way that creates the eye, right? Now, if you want to see the other eye, the reason why they see the other eye the other way is because it's a north-south open and close. It's this way. It's either this way, see the eye, see the way it goes up and down, okay? Or it's this way, the eye. Which way is the eye? Which way is the moon, right? Which way is the moon? What do you see? And this is how the actual hole is circled. It's a created game we live in, my friends. We made a choice to come here, or maybe we didn't make the choice, but maybe we did make the choice to take the chance to see which Earth we'd end up with. Regardless of what it is, we're here to have fun, and in the end story, it's from A. Is it from A, or is it from B to D, going through AC? AC, DC. Thank you for watching this video.